Alright, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping back to the channel. Today we're going to go over the same structure that Bitcoin likes to do all the time. It looks like it's playing out again. We're going to go through that on the smaller time frames. Of course, we're going to look at the bigger picture. I also want to look at DXY today, as well as gold, because someone wanted to see gold in the last video. I like charting gold. We're going to take a look at gold. Guys, if you want me to chart any asset, any crypto, any stock, any commodity, leave it in the comment section down below. If I like your comment, I will chart it in the next video. All right, other stuff real quick. Join the Discord. It's free, linked in the description below. Yeah, there's a premium option. Guys, it's free. Join the Discord. Mexi is the best exchange to leverage trade on. They have the lowest fees. Use the link in the description below for 10% off those lowest fees. Also up to $1,000 deposit bonus when you use the link in the description down below. Guys, no KYC, no VPN. All right, let's get to it. What is the structure that Bitcoin loves to make time and time again? It is a freaking flat, guys. It's a freaking flat. In Elliott Wave terms, flats are a correction down, a correction up, and then an impulse to the downside. And it creates a correction, a zigzag type shape. But the zigzag just so happens to break the high, come down, sweep lower liquidity, and then it'll go up for the finishing wave. Right now, it's what it looks like is going to play out. And I will say, it doesn't have to play out as a flat. We can still come up like this. Oops. Come up like this. Not break the high. And then wave down right now and put in a WXY. Still come down to targets. Still come up for a wave 5. But right now, where the liquidity's at, everything that I'm seeing, this is what I'm expecting to play out. I think we do ultimately have a little bit lower to go here. And then we'll be looking long to sweep the higher liquidity, swing fail, and then we'll be looking short. Now, we're on the 4-hour time frame here. And one thing I do want to note, and this, holds a lot of weight for me. The 4-hour RSI trend line has broken to the downside. So if we draw a trend line on our RSI, you see we do have 1, 2, 3 touches. On the 4th touch, we broke. We do have a retest of that trend line right now that has already been finished and put in. Usually you will see a downward move after that. So be cautious trading this structure. Wouldn't be surprised if it does decide to WXY on us and come down, reset the RSI fully, and then go up for a wave 4, retest the trend line, break the high again, hit our target of around 55K that we've been looking at, 54, 55K, and then come down. Also, on our momentum indicator on the 4-hour time frame, you see there is a nice little wave forming that is following a nice big hunch over. This little sharp wave is an indication that some downside is about to come and hit. Money flow is coming down. Now, usually when you have a wave this massive, it's not like this where you had a smaller hump and then you had your trigger. You have a massive wave. Also, money flow is quite high. Usually you will see some type of a hit down and price really won't go down that much. And then you'll get a sharper wave to the upside. And that will be your wave 5. And then money flow is really coming down and then you get your dump. These are just what I'm looking at as far as the indicators go. Things that I'm paying attention to and that you should be paying attention to as well. Okay, zooming out. Once this wave 5 is put in, guys, you know what the deal is. That's our 5th of the 5th 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would expect a massive correction after that. If this is our corrective structure that's finished, I would expect some type of movement to the downside. Now, if you want continuation after this wave is put in, you want a long, dragged out 4 wave into a 5. That's what you want to see if you want continuation here. It's not what I'm predicting. Right now I'm predicting the triangle count. Let's look at DXY real quick. As we know, DXY is very important to the markets. The strength of the dollar is very important because Bitcoin's traded against the dollar. Bitcoin goes up, the value of the dollar goes down, the value of the dollar goes up, the price of Bitcoin goes down. Inverse relationship. I have an impulse off the top. I have a flat correction put in. Now, my best guess as to what is going to happen here, because this wave down looks impulsive more than anything. You can't say it's corrective. I believe we will have a little bit more higher to go here. We will put in an ABC correction here. It's going to look like some kind of head and shoulders. Probably break this low. And all it's going to set up is, oh, let me grab this, a WXY correction to the upside. And then we hit big time to the downside. Like that. So I think you got a lot of action like this, very choppy. And what that's going to entail is, you know, as the dollar comes down here, I think we have a little bit higher to go. As the dollar comes down here, Bitcoin probably is going to hit for that 5th wave. Head up towards 55K, 56K, whatever it's going to get to. And then this pump from DXY is going to cause Bitcoin's price to turn around and we can come down for that leg in the triangle. Come down for a wave like that in our triangle pattern. Okay? It's just putting the pieces together to the puzzle right now. Just trying to find some confluence in all the charts. Let's head on over to gold, because gold is, to me, gold looks extremely scary right now. And I'm going to tell you why. Finished wave is put in right here. Correction, done. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my opinion, you are really rolling the dice long term holding gold, because this thing looks done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks finished to me. And there's a pretty damn good chance, in my opinion, that this wave is the 5th of a 5th. And at the bare minimum, you're looking at a correction at least into this zone. And who knows? Maybe you're counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're looking at a big time correction down into this zone. I doubt it, but it's a possibility. Bottom line is, I wouldn't be loading up on gold bars right now. That's all I'm saying. You're putting in bearish divergence, money flows coming down. Like, there's no way around it. It does not look good to me. Unless you get an absolutely monstrous wave to the upside, I'd say we're coming down, and I wouldn't want to be in gold. Guys, I hope you got something out of this video. Hope you learned a little something. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Join the Discord free in the description below. MEXC is the best exchange to leverage trade on. Linked in the description below. No KYC, no VPN. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.